again, and it's fun to have these tools that we learn, and SQL is going to be one of those tools that when you have this in your arsenal of technology, there are going to be people who come by and like, you know SQL, and you're going to go, I know enough to be dangerous, and yeah, I could help you out. I know a few tricks. So this is kind of a story about that, and I hope you like it. It's a parody on a Kenny Rogers song called The Gambler, but I call it The Coder. All right. One late summer evening, I was working as an intern. I caught up with my manager when she was checking up on me. She asked how I was doing. As I was staring at a spreadsheet, she said she could tell that I was stressed out. She began to speak. She said, son, I made a life out of leveraging my tech skills and knowing how to automate those tasks that came my way. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see the stress on your face. If you're gonna give me a minute, I'll show you a couple tricks. So I handed her my laptop and a flurry of crazy keystrokes. She sorted, parsed, and aggregated the data in my sheet. Then she made a pivot table with calculated columns. She said, if you're gonna play a tech game, you gotta learn to play it right. So you gotta know how to code it, know how to Google, know when to walk away when your brain is done. But you never count yourself out when you're stuck on a major problem. A little code can make some magic happen, and it can save you time. Key changes are so dramatic, I love them. Now every person knows that spreadsheets serve a purpose, but when that data gets too big, we need a database. And that's when SQL queries become our newest magic. So when they ask if you know SQL, you say, I know a thing or two. Because filtering and sorting has become like second nature. And knowing how to join your tables, it ain't that hard, you see. We can group and fetch our results, even write a big sub-query. Just be a lifelong learner, there's no problem we can be. 'Cause you gotta know how to code it, know when to Google it, know when to walk away when your brain is done. You never count yourself out when you're stuck on a little problem. Little code can make some magic happen, and it'll save you time. You gotta know how to code it, and how to Google it, gotta Google it. Know when to walk away, 'cause my brain is done. But you never count yourself out when you're stuck on a little problem. A little code can make some magic happen, and it'll save us time. There you go. And we ended right on time.